this video, I'll be showing you how you can remove green screen in Davinci Resolve. It is super easy. So first of all, what you need to do is go into your clip and find your green screen that you want to remove. Then you need to hold over to the clip that you want to remove the green screen on and go down to Fusion, like so. Then up here, you need to click on Effects. You need to click on the search bar here and click in Delta Keyer. Then from here, you just need to drag it into this, so it contributes to both of these. Then from here, you can see this pop-up window will pop up. Then you can click on this little pen tool here. You can drag it like so, and as you can see now, it's a real green color that you want to remove. Now I want to make this a little bit nicer so there isn't a subscribe button in the middle of the video. And to do that, you simply need to open up the clip here, go up to Inspector, like so, and here you can see Zoom and Position. If I click on this, the zoom, now it's become smaller. I can also make it bigger. I'm just gonna do this, and the position X and the position Y, you can change this. This is this, and to change it up and down, you just go to the Y. I can just go down here to mine. And that is it. That is how you remove any green screen from Davinci Resolve. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!